Let me ask you a serious question. How many weeks have you spent thinking about launching your AI agency, but you're still stuck on step 1? How many videos have you watched? How many templates have you downloaded? How many times have you said, I will start tomorrow, and tomorrow never came? If you are being honest, you already know your problem isn't the software, it's not the tech, it's not GoHighLevel, and it's not procrastination. The real problem is that you've been trying to do this alone, with no direction, no support, and no accountability. And every time you try to start, you freeze because you don't know what to do next. If this sounds like you, keep watching because I'm going to give you the exact roadmap to get your first client, even if you've never sold anything in your life. When I look at the beginners who succeed the fastest, it's always the same pattern. They don't try to build everything from scratch. They don't watch tutorials for months. And they don't overthink their website or logo. They follow a clear system, stay accountable, and get help the moment they get stuck. And once you understand how to build an AI receptionist, how to show value, how to start conversations with business owners, and how to onboard clients, everything becomes easy. You go from feeling confused to feeling in control. You go from I don't know where to start to I know exactly what to do today. And you go from 0 clients to your first paying client in weeks, not months. So now the question becomes, how do you get that structure, that mentorship, that community, and that clarity without wasting months trying to piece everything together one by one? That's where the Black Friday window comes in. 50% off on all GoHighLevel plans. This is a low-risk window to go all in. And when you sign up using my link below before November 30th, I'm giving you everything you need to get your first client. Not as a PDF course, not as a theory, but as a complete support system. Here's everything you get. You get access to my private community, normally $997 per year. This is where you can ask questions, get help, and never feel stuck again. You get 3 days a week of mastermind calls with me. We build your strategy, fix your outreach, and map out your next steps together on a video call. You get 2 days a week of GoHighLevel calls with a licensed expert who has been building inside GoHighLevel since 2018. These calls save you months of learning. You get a complete copy and paste website you can launch in under 1 hour, so you look legitimate from day one. You also get my outreach and sales training, my client onboarding systems, and my full tutorials on how to build AI receptionist inside of GoHighLevel. All included, all free, only when you use Black Friday link before November 30th. This way you're not alone, you're not guessing, and you're never stuck. You have the software, you have the skills, you have the systems, and you have support 5 days a week. Everything you need to get your first AI client. And let me explain something that most beginners don't realize. If you are starting an AI agency, GoHighLevel is the single best platform you can build on. Most people think they need 10 different tools to get their first client. One for websites, one for CRM, another for outreach, another for calendars and bookings, another for automations, another for call tracking, and then another platform just to build the actual AI receptionist. That's the #1 reason beginners get overwhelmed and quit before they even start. And this is why GoHighLevel is a no-brainer. So here's what to do next. Click the link below in this video. Choose the plan that fits your budget. Complete your sign up before November 30th, and then say hi inside the community. If you spent more time thinking about starting an AI agency than actually starting one, this is your moment. I'll see you inside the community and we'll get to work on your first client. Deal?